at Cold Start, we're cold starting Phase Rainbows and Dylan Lavera's Suzuki quad runner. So
You're gonna sing King Quad.
yeah.
Don't worry about the choke yet. Just try the choke. Give it a little gas. Okay.
No, because you flooded too much.
Yes, I know that. Choke it a bit. There you go. Needs a little bit of choke. Give it a little gas. Give it a little gas. Not that much. Not that much, Liam. Okay. Yeah, just hold on for a few minutes and then let go. And then I'll get you to pull it up there. Alright, let go of the gas now. Don't be doing that. Hey, you need to let it warm up more. There, just let it warm up.
Look at that big spider.
You know.
Do the spider.
So?
Give it gas while putting it in.
No, don't.
Go.
Still needs to warm up, so go slow. Just pull it up over there.
He told me, don't know nothing of Walmart. Come here, and I said, oh, it said, did you find out? Oh, Dennis told me.
Well, let it warm up a few minutes. Let it run. Liam, why would you do that?
It stalled. I never shut it off. It stalled.
Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this windshield off. I'll be back in a few.